Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Worth it or noise? Noise. I checked Harvard Health and Johns Hopkins, so you don't have to. That pop is just gas bubbles collapsing in the fluid around your joint, not damage. Studies comparing lifelong knuckle crackers to non-crackers found no difference in arthritis. In one, the crackers actually had slightly less. Johns Hopkins says there's no evidence it causes any joint damage. The only real caveats: heavy cracking has been linked to slightly weaker grip, and if it ever hurts, that's worth getting checked. Verdict: causing arthritis is noise. Annoying to your co-workers, maybe. Harmful, no. What should I check next?